Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Recurring Profit System, and it's all about getting recurring clients, local agency kind of business, and I like to start at the finish. It's $27, and you're like, yeah, okay, that sounds interesting. Complete video training course. I'll go inside and you'll be blown away by what's included, how in-depth they get, how much information there is. And as they say, they're getting recurring clients so fast and with so little resistance, it's almost like cheating. Would you like to cheat for $27? Yes. Okay, so we'll go inside. The link's in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's really just a bit of information of what's there. And then there's a rundown of all the different modules that are there with the bonuses. And then you click the product box and you're at this page right here. So I'm just going to give you a quick look inside. They're called Offline Sharks. Obviously, there's a bit of information there. And here we go. They talk about making money and having it fall apart. So I'm just going to, so they're talking about, let's go back. There's the guys. So Tom Gaddis and Nick Ponte are the main guys from the Offline Sharks. And there we go. And our associate Jason. There you go. They're in Maui. So he's in Vegas and okay, blah, blah, blah. They start out in Maui. And so they do say mahalo, which is a very Hawaiian thing. Okay, here we go. They're going to go down to, I'm going to skip through the blah, blah, blah. And yeah, they want recurring money. And here we go. Sorry, I'm just getting down to not that part. So this is a recurring invoice for 100. And then look at this. This is like a bunch of guys paying every month. And that's what recurring income is money coming in every month. And even after years, bam, 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 bam. And then you're like, oh, that could really, so that's one guy. You can see it's the same customer name. And I think somewhere here, they show you how you can stack them. Now, these are different guys. And you can see recurring, the same kind of thing all the way through. And that's what this is all about is, I don't know, pick a number. You get 20 of these guys that you're making $2,500 a month. And you can continue to build and stack because they stick around, continue to pay. And so instead of shooting for a one-time payment of $7, $47, even $125 once, think about how much easier it is, more work to sign them up, more work to keep them involved, but not 12 times per year more work. This $125 comes in every month. Okay, and again, this is a $27 system, so keep that in mind. And obviously, you can do the math. Put 50 clients in there, and now you're like, hey, we're talking. Here you go. It's your foot in the door to bigger monthly retainers. And so they show every month, that's a bunch of crazy money there. But the part to gain from this, the part to really catch on is once you start dealing with a company and you start helping them. So these are local businesses, right? So they're a roofer, they're a plumber, they're a chiropractor, they're a dentist, they're a doctor. They're all sorts of things like that. And they need customers. They need a continuous flow of people coming in the door, using their services. It's a universal business need. And so once you're in there helping them, doing anything for them, would they rather deal with Johnny at the door they've never heard of going, hey, I got a great deal for you? Or would they rather turn to you and go, hey, you're doing stuff online. Do you know anything about Google Ads? I can help you with that. Do you know anything about putting together an email list? Yep, not a problem. I can do that for you. And so now there's an assortment, and it's not just two things. It goes from reputation management to text messaging the clients, to building an email list, to sending out emails, to Google Ads, to managing your SEO, to managing your website. It just goes on. There's about 20 different things like that, and probably more, but we'll say 20 different things that you can be doing for any client. And like I say, the easiest sale is going back to the guy who's already dealt with you and being happy with your service and go, hey, we also do this. I could do this for you. I see you don't have that's the last one you use. Somehow Yellow Pages ad jumped into my head. But same thing. You're not listed number one for your search term in your city for I don't know, yellow-haired dentist. There we go. So you're not listed number one for yellow-haired dentists in New York or in Brooklyn or in Poughkeepsie. You see what I'm talking about. You can instantly tell them, hey, you're missing out. You could be doing this, and I can set it up for you. So it's a pretty easy sale to go from $125 a month to $1,000 a month. And you can see by looking at the right hand angle there, these are monthly retainers for different things that you're doing for people. It just gives you an idea of what's possible. So you can see, and again, I go back to the beginning, $27 system. So I'm going to cut this short. I'm going to scream down a little bit to the content of this. Let's just go blah, blah, blah. We can make you money. We got a system. It's a great system. We're wonderful. And here you go. So here, they go through a little bit of this with all the different things they're going to do, all your valuable training. Obviously, that's important. You read through that yourself. Here's the package, right? And then here's everything you get inside. So let's just, I've had this on my website. So I'm just going to scream through here as well. Why is recurring good? How to find perfect clients. That's important. Land clients from anywhere method. So think about that. They're doing from Hawaii. They're doing stuff all across the world. So you can too. The admin is billing, payments, how to get everything taken care of, and push button fulfillment, templates, outsourcing, the whole 9 yards. Turn customers into clients with account coordination, putting things together. And then here's all the tools. And again, I'll just scream through this. You can see templates, lead trackers. Here's the phone script and the email, follow-up email. You get the idea. Everything's there. Exact client onboarding map, contracts and service agreements, client intake form, the exact one they use. You see what I'm talking about. The software. Okay, here you go. Delivers a recurring service, alternate software, unlimited leads trial. Wow, it's $27. You're in business the moment you get this. And obviously read through and watch the video training and so on. $27 and away you go. And these guys are just super reputable for not just doing this kind of stuff, but spending what must be a ton of time putting together a really in-depth, intense kind of a system. All you're going to care about is they're there. You can see here 1 full year of software access, updates, support. It's all there for $27. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can read through a bit of that. You click the product box, boom, you're back on this page. You can read to your heart's content, and $27 gets you the complete video training course called Recurring Profit System. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.